If you're looking to grow your creative business in a way that isn't totally saturated and not very many people are doing yet, it's with video marketing. I'm sure you've heard other people say this. Videos are so powerful, but no, I'm not going to tell you to start a YouTube channel and do YouTube marketing. In this video, I'm going to share with you why your handmade business needs to do video, along with 8 tips to do them well and have them impact your business in a big way with little effort. Hey there, my name is May Pak, and I help makers, artists, and designers create a consistent income from selling their handmade products online. Here are a few reasons why you want to do video. Firstly, social media loves video. That's just where things are moving these days. You know how it's really hard to stand out in social media because of the algorithm and all the competition that's out there. You can still have a competitive edge and stand out from doing videos. And you know why? It's the medium that all the platforms are pushing, so they give you more reach and visibility if you do video. Plus, it's overall just more engaging for people to consume, right? Now, I'm not saying you should always do videos only from now on, but people love videos, so let's give them that. That's generally the philosophy you want to have anyway when it comes to social media. Give people what they want, right? So, I know you know that making videos isn't easy. For some of you, this might be super scary. But stay on to watch the rest of this because I'm going to show you how it doesn't have to be scary. Here's the thing though. Because most people are afraid or resistant to doing video, that means not many people in your space are doing them yet. Of course, this is relative to other forms of marketing, right? So say if 100 of your competitors are on Instagram, probably only 5 of them are using video marketing. Videos are an incredible way for you to build trust, credibility, and appreciation for your shop and your products and help increase sales and conversions. If you've done a lot of live events like craft shows or farmers markets and you sell really well there, but if you're struggling to sell online, it's usually because if people can see, touch, feel, smell, wear, or taste your products, that's always going to help close the sale. It's hard to do those things online, right? And maybe your products require a bit of you talking about it, explaining the benefits to people who come to your booth. If this is you, you definitely want to use video marketing in your online business because it's the best way to translate your offline sales success to the online world. If you make a product that's information-based, like you sell crochet patterns or craft kits or creative classes, then video will be super helpful for you. Having said that, it's not that people who make jewelry or clothes won't find video helpful. It would just be more helpful in other ways that I'll talk about later in this video. Now that I've kind of convinced you that video is where it's at, let's talk about how to grow your business with video. The first tip I have for you is to let go completely of the idea that you have to be prim and proper and polished to do video. I mean, yes, you do want to be presentable, but no, you don't need to look like Kim Kardashian or have perfect hair or the perfect face or voice to do video well. And here's why. When people see videos or photos that look too polished, they're going to think it's an ad, that you spent the time to create an entire photo shoot and hire models and makeup artists and advertising agencies to create that video. When things look too good, it comes off as an ad. And ads don't perform nearly as well as candid, real, raw, and natural videos. This is why, if you've ever done a Facebook ad, you'll learn that they don't like it when your ad looks like an ad. Nope. They want your ad to look like any other normal post in your newsfeed, like as if your friend posted it, because Facebook has the data to show that those kinds of posts always get better engagement than polished, fancy videos or posts. And that's also why most ads you see these days, unless it's an ad for designer products, they use models and actors that look relatable and or aspirational. They're not looking for the super hot, sexy person because the data shows it's harder to make sales when you use models that look too good. Tip number 2, your videos can totally be short. Don't stress about making them long, because I know that's when you don't take any action, is when you make it so hard for yourself to do. If you're doing videos for social media, Instagram story video posts are only allowed up to 15 seconds anyway. It doesn't have to be a whole process where you plan out an entire speech. Make it easy for yourself. In fact, really long videos can be hard to watch because people are busy and don't have much time. So you're not just making it easy for you, but for them as well. The hardest part of doing video is just showing up. And when you can do that, you'll have won more than half the battle. Hey, if you're enjoying this video and you're finding it helpful, please hit the like button, maybe even subscribe if you want more videos like this. Because when you do that, when you leave a like or subscribe or leave a comment, it tells YouTube that this was a good, helpful video, and it helps show it to more people on YouTube. Tip number 3, you don't have to do a lot of videos. This is why I said at the beginning, I'm not here to tell you to start a YouTube channel. Now, I know that I post 2 videos a week on my Creative Hive channel, but Creative Hive has a very different business model than my jewelry business. One is selling information, while the other is selling a physical product. Fundamentally, I don't believe that you need to do a video every week to have video work well for your handmade business. And I say that because creating video can be super time consuming, especially if you're doing like 1 or 2 videos a week. And it isn't the best thing that will give you the biggest ROI for your business. For most of you watching this video, you should be focusing on pitching your products to people who have large audiences to get your products in front of. That has the best ROI, meaning it can give you the most sales for not a lot of time invested in doing it. Videos take a lot of time, but don't give you fast or a lot of sales. It takes time to get there. So my recommendation is it's totally okay to create a fixed set of video assets that you can use over and over again in your business, like in your emails, on your website, your social media. These videos can be evergreen videos that help push people to becoming your customers. We'll talk about some of those types of evergreen videos in a few minutes. Tip number 4, you can absolutely use your phone camera to take videos if your phone was built in, say, the last 3 years. Here's something you may not know, but the back camera always performs better than the front camera, so keep that in mind when you go to make videos. So you don't have to go out and invest in a $400 DSLR video camera. Again, make your life easy. It doesn't have to be hard or expensive. If you're doing top-down videos of you making your products or demonstrating it, I love using the iPivo presenter document camera. These cameras are usually known for instructors or teachers to be using in class to show like pages from a textbook and then to cast them to the entire class. What I love about it is it captures really little details incredibly well, and it connects directly to your computer, and it's only $100. If you don't want to spend that much on a new camera like this, you can probably also rig together an overhead smartphone camera for cheap. Just do a YouTube search for that after you watch this video. And if you're an artist and you take your art and you do them digitally, you can also record your screen and use that video. See, you don't even need a camera to do that. But let me tell you, seeing art being created like that is so cool and mesmerizing. So here are a few different video assets you can make for your business. Tip number 5, make a video that shows how to use your products. You can just demonstrate using it and you don't even have to talk in it. So say you make handbags. I know there can be a lot of detail in handbags, and video is a great way to capture a comprehensive view of the product from the outside design to the inside pockets and the dividers that you've got in there. Or talk about your product benefits. For example, if you make a skincare product, talk about how the ingredients you use in your products help with someone's skin. If you truly don't want to talk in a video, you can just film the video without any voice, and then write out a simple script that you can hire a voiceover actor on Fiverr for $20 to do the speaking for you, and then you can add that to your video. Tip number 6, make a video of you making your products. You don't even have to show your face usually for videos like that, and you don't have to show the entire start to finish process of making your product if you're concerned about people stealing your techniques. You can record yourself making your product as usual, but in video editing software, you can cut out proprietary parts and definitely speed up the video because people love seeing something before and after, and they're eager to get to the end result of what you're creating. These kinds of videos are amazing to have in your business because they help build appreciation and appeal for your products. When people don't know how your products are made, sometimes they assume simple designs don't take a lot of effort, right? And they don't value those products as much. How many times have you ever heard people say, I could make that myself, right? But when you show your process, you're showing people how much skill and patience and effort is required to do what you do. And it educates people that it's not so easy to make your products. That makes people appreciate your work more, and they're more willing to pay you higher prices for them. Tip number 7. If you've got a website online but few people are buying and you haven't been around for a while, it's most likely because people just don't trust you yet. It's the same reason why past customer feedback and the 5-star rating you see when you shop on Etsy or Amazon is so important. That gives people trust. If you don't have a lot of customer feedback yet, that's okay, because you can still build trust with your potential customers by making videos. Videos help show your products in a way that pictures just can never do, so it gives customers a better idea of the product they're buying. But more than that, another video asset you should start collecting is if you can get an influencer or YouTuber doing a product review or unboxing video of your products. That's even better for boosting your credibility and social proof. And this is how trends are created, right? When celebrities and influencers talk about certain products, that's when people decide, hey, if so-and-so likes using this product, it must be good. So I have to get some for myself. It's consumer psychology and it's proven. These are the best kinds of testimonials to have, and they bring you incredible social proof, trust, and credibility. If you're wondering how to get YouTubers or influencers talking about your products, I have a great video showing you the simple steps for how to do that. Tip number 8. If you ever do paid ads or if you do Facebook marketing organically for free, videos in general are always great to use because you get better engagement with them. Now, this might be a little bit advanced, but if you do video ads, you can retarget people who've watched your videos. And the reason you want to do that is because now they're more familiar with your brand and they're more likely to buy. Video ads are cheaper to do because, again, Facebook is encouraging people to use videos because people love them. I have a video ad that's a combination of YouTubers talking about my products and me making them, and it converts into sales quite well. And my last bonus tip for you. If you're lazy like me, you can make easy video ads or video posts by creating slideshows of different product photos, just like this one of my charm bracelet. I love using my Hive Evo presenter document camera. I hope I'm saying that right. Hive Evo. For instructors or, oh my god. And do them digitally. Or video posts. If you enjoyed watching this video, stay on to watch this next video on the screen for more handmade business tips. If you like this, give this a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching.